Now, 6 bouts marked the return of the Western Charity Golden Gloves boxing exhibition matches, dubbed Gloves Over Guns, at the National Boxing Gym at the Montego Cricket Club recently. The event was also staged to raise funds for the inner city communities which were affected by Hurricane Melissa. According to Dr. Lola Cunningham, one of the organizers of the event, the sport will give a number of young persons in the parish hope.
One of the reasons why I am so optimistic about the feeling is to see so many young people, especially school-age boys, who have come from far and who have come from Montego Bay here to amalgamate in such a fashion. I do believe that we are now setting up ourselves to have a boxing mecca. We have to transform young lives.
Former national boxer Jasmine Graham was instrumental as well in the staging of the event.
It is a charity exhibition where we will donate part proceeds to those who are affected in Hurricane Melissa and to the boxers of the West. Today we had about 7 participants and it was a success. Even though we had the Mobe night run, we had a great turnout and it was really well put together. We have boxers traveling all the way from Kingston, St. Anne's and also in Montego Bay here to represent for this cause.